I just got in my package from Iceman Collections and I wanted to open it up. In case you guys don't know, Iceman offers a lot of 3D stuff that he prints up, such as engines and everything for us model builders. It took me a long time to decide if I wanted to order from him because I've seen a lot of 3D printed stuff and I did not like it. And I've done a lot of checking, and I've been hearing nothing but positive from Iceman Collections, and I've been hearing nothing but just everything's been positive. So I thought I'd take a chance and order. Another thing I liked very well about Iceman Collections is his website, how easy it is to navigate. Let's go over to the website real quick and I'll show you what I mean.
To get there, just Google Iceman Collections, and that's what you'll come up with. Then we just clicked on the Iceman Collections website. There you go. Everything going across is everything he offers, and we will go one by one into those. The very first one is engines. Look at all those engines he offers. He offers 69 different engines. Engine bay add-ons, 37 different ones. Customizing parts, 57 different customizing parts. And I'm only showing, what, 5 there? Wheels, 24 different wheels he offers. Diorama pieces, 53 different ones. Again, I'm just showing you the tip of things. Kits, 4 different kits. And supplies, 10 different supplies he offers also. Very nice website.
Okay, that's a big plus for me as a nice website, and everything also looks good on the website. But there again, you don't know until you get it in your hand. So I went ahead and sort of say bit the bullet and ordered a bunch of stuff, and I want to get into this thing and show you guys what I've got. I don't know if my order's right or anything or what's going on, but I want to share this with you guys. If I can get this thing opened. There we go. Yep, it's packaged nice. It also came very quick. I also wanted to let you guys know that when I placed the order, I got confirmation that the order had been received, got confirmation that the order had been shipped with a confirmation number to track the order. This is nice. Some packing peanuts. Get rid of some of those. Everything's coming out. All right. I got a lot of cool stuff in here. Got a sticker. And milk crates. This is something I've been looking for a long time, are milk crates. These look very nice. I have to admit, I'm very impressed with these milk crates. The reason I wanted milk crates because I've been working on collecting parts for a diorama, and a lot of this order is some engines and diorama parts. Man, I'm really impressed with those milk crates. This is the very first time I've ever seen his stuff in person. Okay, which engine is this? Okay, the V12 alternate with stacks. Very cool. Now I'm going to also open this stuff up and we're going to look at it closer. We'll get it out of the package here. I want to show you what's in here. 572 twin turbo engine. We'll pull it out and look at it. Another 572 twin turbo. It's the Alien, a little bit different. You see the difference? I'm really into these turbos and stuff, these turboed engines. Got an ice machine. Oh, I love that ice machine. Again, collecting parts for a diorama. Very cool. And some caps called the Naked Lady caps with white wall tires. I've always liked these when I go to the James Dean show, and a lot of cars will have these. Very, very cool in 50s. What else we got here? This kit right here. A little turbo trike bike. I saw this and just absolutely fell in love with it. I thought, man, this is really cool. Let's check this thing out. Now I'm going to do separate videos on all this stuff also as I build it. Oh, that is nice. Very nice quality. That's the thing I was worried about on this 3D printing. A lot of the 3D printing I've seen that guys are selling at all the swap meets I go to have heavy lines. I don't see any lines in there at all. Very nice. If you want me to do a complete review and build on this, let me know down below. I'm really looking forward to doing this kit. Even comes with its own glass. Let's see what else we got. I think there's some more stuff in this ice machine. There they are. Jack stands. Ordered several jack stands up, and I ordered several jack stands down. Again, for dioramas. And these are spray cans. These little spray cans are pretty cool. They even come with little labels. Very nice. There they are. I knew I had some more jack stands. There's all them other. There's the jack stands up. I'm telling you guys, this is nice quality. I'm impressed. Let's tear into those engines. Okay, the first engine I want to show you up close is this 572 Twin Turbo Alien. You can see it on his website. That's what we got. The turbo outlets, very, very nice. Very impressed with this quality. I actually did not think it would be this nice. I have to be honest with you. Like I said, I've always heard good things about this company. That's why I decided to get everything I got. Next engine is this one. It's V12. I think this will make a cool hot rod project. All those stacks, very nice. There's a piece that came off that's in the bag still. And we got this 572 Twin Turbo, which I think is a hot seller, and I can see why. Valve cover engraving's very nice. Again, your turbos look fantastic. To me, these engines are worth the price in just turbos, because I've looked into getting some turbos in the past, because I would have a lot of money just wrapped up in turbos. Where I got everything, even the transmission, for the price. Let's take a better look at those milk crates. Okay, the milk crates. Man, these are nice. I mean, they don't even need sanded. They're ready to roll. These are ready to rock and roll. Throw some paint on, weather them up, chip them up a little bit, and you've got a cool diorama. Wow, I'm very impressed.
Want to show you the close-ups again, because sometimes on looking at it through the video, when I'm unbagging it, you just can't get up close to it. So all these stills should show you some better detail. Very impressed. I will be ordering from this company again. I purchased all this stuff, so this is an honest review. Nothing was given to me. I don't even think Iceman knows I'm going to do a video on this. I was so impressed. I just wanted to share it with you guys. Just unbelievable. Unbelievable detail. Very crisp, very clean. Great website. I can't speak enough good things about these products and this website and this company. Highly recommend going to Iceman Collections and ordering some stuff. I think you'll be happy. We'll see you guys on the next episode on Throttle Power.